Okay, let's do the final two parts of the scissor lift, the leg and the platform. Leg is the more complicated one, so let's create a drawing here of the leg. And as you can, or let's go back. I'm gonna want to put the right view. In other words, the one with the holes. This one here. I want to see that as my front view in the drawing, which is in the lower left. So as I create a drawing here, I'm going to use the same template, and the view that I'm going to put into the drawing is going to be the right view first. So the right view there, 5 to 1 causes it to be way too big because it thought we were putting in just the very end. So if I go 1 to 1, it's that big. And there's a way we can do this, but I'm not gonna, to make this a little, there's an alternative way to do this, but I'm not gonna do it. So there's our front view, and let's go over here and squeeze in our right view. And then our isometric will be up here. Right click, show hidden shaded view. There we go. So for this one, if I show the hidden lines here, you can see that all those holes are aligned. So let me just start here. This is going to be squeezing these things in. I'm going to come over here and just got to zoom in. It'll pick different things depending on how much you're zoomed in. Whoops, yep. So do an escape, go back up to the dimension once you're zoomed in and click it here and pull out. There we go. Whoops. What we can do, let's put this up here, and then if you double click on this, over here on the right you can put stuff that'll follow it. And I'm going to put X3. Okay, so that means that all three of these are this diameter. So now all I need to worry about is their location. So let's see if we can do that here. So from this side we go there to there, 0.188. How about, let's put these down below so they don't interfere with the leader line there. And move it over. Whoops. Now move it over there. And now we can get the distance from here to here. It's going to be 3 1/8. And from here to here is going to be 7.625, 7 5/8. And I'm going to make this guy smaller. So let's go 1 to 2. I think we all know what it looks like, so I'm just going to put that up there. I'm going to raise this guy. And then for the whole length of the bar, from here to here, we'll see that it is, what is that, 7 7/8. Okay, so I've got everything defined there. I should use probably a bigger piece of paper here, a size C. So what I'm going to do here, again, yeah, we're just, this is not great. So that takes care of the bar from that point of view. All we're missing is the depth of the bar into the page, which we can get that right here. Okay, and then also we need where the holes are located vertically in this view. And the way to do that, I think what I'm going to do is put these lines here. Remember, when you zoom up, it'll change what it picks up. So I'm going to put that line there, and then I'm just going to dimension that from here to here. I'm going to do it like that. So this is too squeezed in, but it's adequate for our purposes. And I think we've got everything there. Okay, the final one is the platform, and we're going to put the top view in because we want to see the rectangular nature of it. So go here, here, and we'll put the top view in 1 to 4. We don't have to make it quite that small, do we? 1 to 2. We'll click there. We'll click here. We'll click over here. And there it is. And so this is show shaded view. And this is an easy one. Just there's our width. Here's our height. And our depth's going to be a little You could make this with a note saying that this, it's a plate, or it's a two-dimensional figure, and you could just write in text what the thickness is. We're going to go ahead and dimension it that way. All right, so those are the 8-dimension drawings of the scissor lift. Thanks for watching.